Inside the lungs, there is an additional cleaning system made of microscopic hair-like structures called cilia. These structures constantly move mucus upward toward the throat so it can be cleared. Coughing works together with cilia to complete this process. When coughing is repeatedly suppressed, mucus clearance becomes less effective. Holding in a strong cough also causes pressure to build up inside the chest and abdomen. This pressure does not disappear on its own. It can lead to symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, facial flushing, or a brief feeling of weakness. In rare cases, very strong or repeated suppression of coughing can increase pressure in small blood vessels of the eyes or face, causing them to rupture.